Hi, I'm Laine Martin. I'm the 4-H Youth Development Extension Educator for Kingfisher County. In Kingfisher County, we have about 300 4-H members along with 30 parent volunteers. They help me do my job. In 4-H, we have about every project imaginable that suits the child. We do robotics, we do livestock, and here we have Grace Krittenbrink from Okarche, and her project area is actually horticulture and plant science. So we have your planters here. That was part of your record book, right? Mm-hmm. So what do you do with them?
I water them every day. I miracle grow them once a week. I pull all the weeds out of them, deadhead them, and get all the dead stuff out of them.
So how did you even start this project?
First, I went to the mayor and made sure it was okay if I could take over the planters in the middle of town. Then I did soil testing, added some more soil, killed all the ants because some of the planters had a little bit of ant problem. And then I went and talked to my dad about what type of plants are good for this type of environment, getting wind whipped, or like the different sun layers. Mm-hmm. And then I got the plants, planted them, and then I added mulch, and then I continued watering them.
So the soil tests, did you take those to your local extension office?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What about, do you do anything else with your project besides these planters?
I have a family garden at my grandma's and my great-grandma's house.
What about at camp? You taught kids about edible soil, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We did a cup full of pudding as like your bed soil. And then we did the topsoil, which is Oreos. And then for like your grass, we did colored coconut. And then we added worms as your decomposers.
Awesome. So did the kids like that?
Yes, they loved it.
You think they learned a little bit about plants at 4-H camp?
I hope so.
Okay. So what do you hope to plan to keep doing with your project?
I plan to continuing my projects in town and then continue at state level, continue to teach the youth about like where your food comes from and how it got to your plate. The older people in town love them. And
so what do they think when you tell them it's your 4-H project?
They think it's a great idea and they say more people should get involved in 4-H.
Do you have any advice for anybody who's trying to get their record book going?
I would just say, just take a step forward and don't look back.
Okay, Grace. Well, thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule. I know you have school to get ready for.
No problem.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.